Hey guys, so today in this video I thought that it would be a cool idea to do like relatable things in like primary, but then specifically Australian, like Aussie primary school, because I used to go to an Australian primary school since I lived in Australia, of course. That's why like I went to an Australian primary school. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get into the video. So I think that everyone can probably remember like those really awkward hats, like with like the little cord thing which just like pull up and then those were like just the worst. And then especially when like some of them like put them up like here, others like just halfway, or you chewed them. It was just like you'd never know what you needed to do with it, and especially when you forgot your hat at home. No hat, no play. So then you were that kid who was lonely, sitting in the shade all by themselves. And everyone knew you were that kid who forgot their hat. Pen licenses. The whole thing about pen licenses, which was that you were able to go from a pencil to a pen. And everyone was jealous of the kids who already got the pen license and who were able to write in pen. And it was only because the teacher thought you were writing neat in pencil. Stop it, I don't like it. Seriously, it was just that like about being bullied, and then all you had to say was, stop it, I don't like it. Yeah, that didn't really help. I don't know why they mentioned it and why they thought it actually helped, because it didn't. Like, I never did that as a kid, because like I don't think, wait, did anyone do it? I'm actually not curious if anyone did it, but I feel like no one did it because it was just like not helpful. And especially like now, like in your real life like crisis, you're not gonna be like, stop it, I don't like it, because like who does that? The weekly assembly, which was the moment, it was like where it lasted for like 2 hours, and we had to sit on our butts on the cold floor. Either it was like concrete, because it was in the gym hall, or it was on carpet, but still the carpet was on concrete. And then you had to listen to the same speech every single week, being like, so now we're gonna ask the principal to come to the stage. Now we want to welcome primary 2 to the stage since they have something to show. Like, at that time, I don't know, like it was kind of cool, but at the same time it was kind of boring, because every week you did the same exact thing. And that was also the moment where they gave like the like merit awards, being like, oh, this person worked really well in class, or this person gets along really well with other people, excellent skills in sports. Like, at that time we thought it was like really cool that we got an award, because we were like, oh mom, look, I got this award. But now we're just like, no. Oh, and also like I don't know if anyone else experienced this, but I remember at my first primary school, every single week we had dance, and we would dance like for an hour, 1.5 hours. Every week it was the exact same thing, because it took a while to learn all the dances, and then, well, actually like they never really taught you. It was just like, just get along, and if you're new, just do what they do, and then you'll just get into it. So we just did that. And I remember like one song was just really annoying me, Uptown Girl. Oh, the hokey pokey. Primary schools love doing show and tell. So basically every week you had a new show and tell period, where you would either talk about a pet, talk about your family, talk about a place you visited, talk about your background, talk about yourself, about a book, a movie, about whatever you wanted. And most of the things, it wasn't even interesting. And since we all wore uniforms, then there was that one special day where it was the fancy dress-up casual day, and then everyone just took the best outfit out of the closet and just wore that. But then you still had the 3-finger rule that it wasn't allowed to be a singlet because that was too short, and you had to wear sunscreen because of the sun. With the picture day, you had the same boring background of the blue, weirdly blue poster kind of. I don't know what to how to describe it, but you guys probably remember it was that yucky blue thing, and then you always sounded like, and then it was a time of day like you already had your personal picture taken, but then later in the day it was the time to do it with your siblings. So then your sibling, if it was older, has to pick you up from your class and be like, we need to take a picture together, and then you had to go to the room and then just like take a picture. And then what they also did at night was the pictures with the entire family. And also, like, you have the joy of putting like money in a brown paper bag and then you get lunch from it. That time where you had a yo-yo and you were the cool kid. Or that time that this group of people just came over to talk about yo-yos, and then they had like 4 different types, and then basically you were able to buy them for like the next 4 days or so. So then everyone just went home and be like, Mom, can I have money to buy a yo-yo? And the time that you played Wink Murder. Apparently we all thought that was fun, and we always were happy like when the teacher mentioned, oh, let's play Wink Murder after the lunch break, and then everyone just rushed to the classroom because they were like, we can't be late for Wink Murder. But every other day, like, you just come to the classroom like late, doesn't matter. Or when you played Stuck in the Mud. I'm still confused, like. And every week you basically had to write a reflection diary on what you did during the week and how you improved and what you can improve and what you did well and didn't do well. Oh, and the swimming carnivals and the sports days, and also like the game heads down, thumbs up. I'm still confused about that thing because I'm like, you never got chosen. And lastly, the happy step. That was at one of my primary schools. A teacher did happy steps because, you know, she thought that would be a good idea. Like, if you did something good or you were nice or whatever, you got a happy step. So each time you got like an extra level, and then when you're at the top, you get to choose a prize from a box. But it only made people jealous because most of the time the teacher gave more like of those happy steps to like the kids that were like their favorites. So if you worked really hard and did your best and the teacher didn't like you, it was so hard to get a happy step. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!